Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. The topic that I'm going to explain, that is the dispersion of white light by a glass prism. You must have seen and appreciated the different colors of the rainbow formed in sky after rain shower. What is the cause of this formation of different colors in the sky? That I will explain later on. But first, I will tell you about the dispersion of white light by a glass prism. Now, this is a glass prism, and the white light that will strike on one of the face of the prism. White light. Refraction of this ray of light that will take place, and this will result in the formation of band of different colors. And these beautiful colors, the sequence is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And the acronym used to remember this sequence of the colors, that is vibgyor. So, the lowmost color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. I can't mark this, I can't show this yellow color, but the sequence is like this. And so, what is this? The screen that will be placed here. So, what is this? This is the band of the colored components of the light beam. That is the spectrum. In order to explain it, we will take the activity. We will take the cardboard, make a hole in between that, in the middle, allow white light to pass through this hole. And now place the prism and turn it so that the refraction of this light that takes place, and this will result in the formation of 7 different colors, and rotate the prism so that the colors that can be taken on a screen. This is a screen. And you will see that the band of these 7 colors, which is formed from white light after passing through a glass prism, this is a spectrum, and the sequence, that is vibgyor. The red light, it bends the least. The angle of, you can say, the angle by which the banding takes place for different colors is different. The red light bends the least, and the violet light the most. The violet color the most. Red color bends the least, while the violet color bends the most. So, this is the term that I'm going to explain here is dispersion. What dispersion is? The splitting of the light into its component color. That is dispersion. So, 2 definitions we have done. Sometimes definitions they are asked. First definition, what is spectrum? The band of the colored components of the light beam. That is spectrum. And the 7 different colors you can give the name of that. And then is dispersion, the splitting of the light into its component colors, that is known as dispersion. And I have explained the activity that how you can have the 7 different colors on the screen when the white light it passes through a glass prism. Now, one thing I want to tell you that Isaac Newton was the first to use the glass prism to obtain the spectrum of the sunlight. He took one glass prism, he allowed white light to fall on one of the face of the glass prism. 7 different colors they will be formed, internal refraction that will also take place, and 7 different colors they are formed. Now he took another glass prism and placed it like this, inverted you can say. The 7 different colors, they will again pass through it and refraction takes place and white light that will be emitted out. So this is the recombination of the spectrum of the white light. 2 prisms here, they are taken and white light it passes and white light again it's emerged out and that can be taken on a screen. Now come to the first question, how rainbow that is formed. After the rain shower, sometimes the sun appears. And you know, after rain, water droplets, they are there in the atmosphere. When the sunlight, it passes through the water drop, this will split up into different colors. We can see the different colors. They are merged with each other and we see the rainbow. And one thing I want to tell you, rainbow is always formed in the direction opposite to the sun. So how this takes place? In that case, the water drop that will act as a tiny prism. So when the white light that passes through the water drops, then the rainbow, the band of 7 colors, or you can say dispersion of light takes place and this will result in the formation of a spectrum. So this is the dispersion of white light by a glass prism. We have read about the refraction of light through a glass slab, and this is the dispersion of light by a glass prism. Thank you.